Hello, guys. Welcome to this episode of the crossword puzzle, and let's jump straight into it. So, I just took some time out to do the Sudoku first, just to get myself warmed up for this. So, yeah, let's begin. Let's look at the first one. 1 across merely. I don't know. 5 across large sea fish. 3 letters. I don't know. 8 across drain slowly, right? So these can be two answers, 4-letter words. So the two words that I know is either to seep or to ooze. Okay, so I don't know which one it is though. Let's look at 3 down, figure that out. A great deal. Great deal. A great deal is usually a lot. A-L-O-T, but it doesn't fit in with. Oh, it could also be to leak, right? 8 across drain slowly could also be leak, and that fits in with a lot. But let's look at 4 down. Google's video sharing platform. You all know this, right? So we'll put this in. So this is YouTube. So now you know that because there's an O here, this has to be ooze. So which means that this is not a lot, it's something else here. Here you notice this again. I had mentioned this in one of my earlier episodes as well. So when you have the clue ending in ly, usually the answer also ends in y, right? So just a demonstration of that here, but I still don't know the answer to this. Where it naturally lies. This is Latin 2 and 4. I think this is in situ. Where this naturally lies is in situ. I am not sure of this. I know that this is right. I'm going to go for it. Let's look at 11 across. Distinguished politicians. Distinguished politicians. I feel like I've heard this before. And usually when the second letter is a T, then this letter usually is an S. So it's something ST something. Either the letter S or it has to be a vowel, but I feel in this case it should be the letter S. Anyway, 15 across. 1 as a prefix. So this I'm sure you can recall is uni. So unicycle, right? That's the most common example of the use of this prefix. Unicycle, the cycle that has only one wheel. So that's why it's a unicycle. 12 down. Responses abbreviation. So another word for responses is answer, and because they say abbreviation, it's ANS. Let's see 5 down. Metric prefix. So the metric system is a type of system in which a system of measurement basically. And we usually use the metric system, right? India as a whole uses the metric system. So meters, kilometers are all part of, or grams, kilograms are all part of the metric system. So this is asking for a prefix that is used in the metric system, which is 5 letters. and second letter E, last letter I. So for example, kilo would be a prefix in the metric system, but this one I can't think of it. 16 across. Poetic feat of one kind. Poetic feat of one kind. No. Right, let's go back to the start of the clues here. Discharge, distinguished politicians, high head dress. Is it a crown? But crown is 5 letters. This is only 4. 1 is a prefix. We've got that. We don't know this. Court or conference. Court conference. And so on. Right. Let's do this one. Very simple here. Very important person. Again, it's given in as a full stop here, so it's VIP. 3 letters. 22 across. I'll put that in here. Let's see 18 down. Bakery fixture. Right. So this is asking for something that you would often find in a bakery. Second letter V. Right. And this is an oven. Let's see 17 across. Court conference. I don't know this. Let's see 27 across. Popular news channel. This could be NDTV, but there could be multiple news channels, So this might be something that I don't know. I'll plant a flag here and maybe come back to this later. 19 down. Good dash to bad rubbish. So this is an idiom, right? So an idiom in the English language is a phrase that has a specific meaning, and the words are very specific. You need to use the words that are already there. You can't replace them with anything else, right? So you can't say good dash to bad trash, for example. It has to be good dash to bad rubbish. And in this case, the answer here is good riddance. So this is like saying it's a good thing that you're, something that's unneeded, unwanted, you need to discard it. So that's how you say good riddance to bad rubbish. And now I know that this for sure is NDTV. 25 down. Expels. To expel something is to throw out something. So usually with the second letter as a V, the answer to this is evict. And because it says plural here, expels, you know that this is also plural. 31 across. Where's that? Here. Medical treatment center. Can you guess this? Medical treatment center. Simple here. This one is clinic. Right? Again, when you look at these two, right? There's an N here, there's a C here, so this had to be a vowel. Then you can play around and try to figure out which of the 5 vowels would be the best fit here, and you would eventually get this answer. Let's look at this, 30 down. Swing around. Swing around. To swing around like a pendulum. Swing around. No. Let's see this one. Let's look at 35 across. Waste drains. Right? So you know this. A waste drain is a sewer. And again, because it is plural, this is what you get. Let's see what we have for 24 across here. Seine's contents. So this actually I think refers to the river Seine. Seine's contents is water. But then that does not fit in with riddance.